when I decided that I think I'm going to build log cabins for a living, you know, uh, everybody's like, well, you can't do that. You know, nobody does that anymore. And it's like, well, I'm going to try it.
Getting to use the same tools that they used with the same limitations. The era that we are reconstructing is the very foundation of what our nation is built on. And you are starting from absolutely nothing. And the tools that they brought with them or could acquire are all that they had. And they had very simple things.
Sorry about that. All we need to do is where a pink knot in. Got a key. Got it.
Hey,
Not good or in this way.
pick up the next one.
Yeah.
You know what? A saw.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can use this one.
Yeah.
We're taking the bark that we peeled off of the trees, and that's what's going to be our temporary roof. You know, at least it'll get us through a few seasons, and when we have time, we'll go ahead and rive out oak shingles. But to generally get us under cover for the time being, that's what we use.
Yeah, somebody. Let's look out the key. Looks like it needs to work.
See if you do that one in the center there, and then he bring that big one in behind it. He's got some pretty straight sides. He is. Try this one.
Just take it with you every day.
Drawn backwards in a circle, and you leave, and you mix.
to go up underneath?
Yeah. Well, no.
Just butt up to it.
Yeah, it's going to butt up to the very. Yes, sir.
It was fantastic working with this group of guys and gals, watching them work together, come together on a project. Every day, all over the United States, there are people coming together and working on projects like this. They're working on reconnecting with their history and with our history all together. These projects are important, every single one of them. Watching these people come together on this particular one and getting it finished, leaving a product that people are going to interact with for years in the future, it was a great experience.
You know, I would encourage you to think back and look at history and look at a simpler time and just slow down in your life, connect with our history, connect with the times past, and try to disconnect with all of the hustle and bustle. I will guarantee you that your mind will be a little clearer when you leave after being in a simpler time like this. This is a view that is very comparable to what somebody could have been looking at. And I was thinking about all the work that it took to do this, and we could have had much more modern means and methods to do it. But what gratification hard work brings when you get something as finished as this, to sit back and just look and reflect on, look at how it worked out and the grand scheme of things is really gratifying.